When Ford's CEO grabbed the microphone and called the 2027 powertrain a monster, every person in that room understood it was not a sales pitch. It was a declaration of war aimed at competitors, regulators, and the millions of loyal truck owners across America. Ford is not abandoning combustion. It is rebuilding it from the ground up and pairing it with a next-generation hybrid system engineered not for gentle fuel savings, but for raw, relentless torque that truck owners across this country have been demanding. For years, the industry conversation has been consumed by full electrification. Electric vehicle headlines dominate every trade publication. Governments push aggressive mandates. Rivals pour billions into battery development. But Ford's 2027 roadmap sends a completely different signal. This is a bold middle path that fuses advanced combustion engineering with serious electric muscle. This is not about replacing the truck you love. It is about making it stronger and more capable than anything that has come before it. Ford understands something many automakers seem to have forgotten. Truck buyers do not want less power. They want greater capability, stronger reliability, and smarter efficiency, all in the same package. Automotive powertrain analyst Dr. Marcus Ellington put it plainly. The truck segment is not simply about emissions compliance. It is about workload endurance. Ford appears to be developing a hybrid system that enhances capability rather than cutting it. That distinction matters enormously to working truck owners across this country. Rather than shrinking engines to chase fuel economy ratings, Ford is reinforcing the combustion platform and layering electric torque on top to produce something far more responsive and significantly more powerful than anything currently wearing a blue oval badge. At the core of this 2027 system is a heavily revised combustion architecture. While Ford has not confirmed final specifications, industry sources indicate it will build from proven platforms like EcoBoost and PowerStroke, but with substantial engineering upgrades. Anticipated improvements include stronger engine blocks capable of sustaining higher cylinder pressures, improved forged internals built to withstand hybrid torque loads, advanced turbocharging systems potentially featuring electric assist, next-level cooling designed for sustained towing stress, and refined combustion efficiency targeting lower emissions across the board. Engineering consultant Daniel Reeves described it clearly. The future of combustion is not about walking away from it. It is about maximizing thermal efficiency and integrating combustion seamlessly with electric systems. Ford appears to be doing exactly that, at a scale no rival has yet attempted in the full-size truck segment. Ford already sells hybrid trucks, including the F-150 PowerBoost, but 2027 represents an entirely different level of ambition. This is not a mild assist system bolted on for marketing purposes. It is engineered to function as a true torque amplifier. Electric motors deliver peak torque the instant you press the pedal, eliminating turbo lag and strengthening launch performance under heavy load. It smooths acceleration during towing and dramatically improves low-speed control on demanding off-road terrain. Electrification expert Sarah Klein made a point worth repeating. The next generation of truck hybrids will function as true torque multipliers. The electric motor fills precisely the gaps where combustion traditionally falls short. Early projections suggest torque figures potentially exceeding 700 pound-feet in light-duty configurations, with even higher numbers anticipated in heavy-duty applications. Add improved grade control through regenerative braking and genuine onboard generator capability for job sites, and this stops being a conversation about miles per gallon. This becomes a conversation about pure, undeniable muscle that gets the job done. Regulations are tightening globally, but EV adoption in heavy-duty segments still faces serious infrastructure and range limitations. Ford's 2027 Monster Hybrid positions the company precisely between both realities. General Motors is aggressively expanding its Ultium electric platform. Ram Trucks is investing heavily in electric and range-extended models. Toyota continues refining hybrid systems in lighter vehicles. Ford's strategy is to dominate the high-torque hybrid space before any rival scales a competing solution effectively. Market strategist Linda Navarro explained that this approach gives Ford the ability to satisfy emission standards while protecting its most profitable segment. That balance could prove critical to the company's financial performance through the late 2020s, especially as consumer demand for capable work trucks shows no signs of slowing. Horsepower sells headlines. Torque moves trucks. Combining a reinforced combustion engine with instant electric torque creates a wide, usable power band covering everything from crawling through mud to hauling a fully loaded trailer up a steep grade. Mechanical engineer Jason Wu stated that electric motors provide peak torque from 0 RPM, and when paired with a turbocharged engine delivering sustained power at higher RPM, the result is unmatched flexibility. For towing, hauling, and serious off-road work, that flexibility matters far more than any peak horsepower figure on a spec sheet. Expect faster acceleration under load, smoother power delivery throughout the rev range, reduced drivetrain shock, and improved control across technical terrain. In practical terms, it could feel stronger than today's diesel options, but considerably quieter and more refined. Truck buyers care deeply about longevity. Hybrid systems introduce new stress factors, particularly during extended towing in extreme temperatures. Ford engineers are reportedly developing reinforced crankshafts and connecting rods, heavy-duty transmissions calibrated for hybrid torque characteristics, advanced battery cooling systems for sustained load operation, and software calibration designed to protect components under maximum stress. Fleet consultant Robert Hayes was direct. Commercial buyers will not adopt hybrid trucks unless durability matches diesel standards. Ford understands that durability is non-negotiable. The 2027 Monster is not only a mechanical achievement, it is a digital one. Modern hybrid systems depend on predictive power management software that determines precisely how and when to deploy electric torque. Ford's next-generation control modules are expected to analyze load and terrain conditions in real time, adjust torque blending dynamically, improve regenerative braking efficiency, and receive over-the-air updates for continuous optimization. That intelligent power distribution will make the truck feel both stronger and smoother across every driving situation. Industry experts estimate potential fuel economy improvements between 15 and 25% compared to conventional non-hybrid V8 setups depending on configuration. For fleet operators managing costs, rural owners needing extended range, and everyday drivers facing rising fuel prices, that improvement carries significant real-world value. The most probable launch candidates include high-output trims of the F150, select Super Duty models, performance-oriented off-road variants, and possibly future Raptor configurations. If executed correctly, this powertrain could anchor Ford's entire truck lineup for the next decade. One of the most powerful signals from this announcement is philosophical. Internal combustion is not disappearing overnight. It is evolving. By pairing advanced combustion engineering with electric torque, Ford is proving that genuine innovation does not require abandoning heritage. Automotive economist Dr. Helen Strauss noted that hybridization may define the late 2020s, offering regulatory compliance without betraying consumer expectations. Ford appears positioned to lead that transition. For enthusiasts and loyal Ford buyers, this is genuinely exciting. Instead of shrinking engines and softening performance to satisfy regulators, Ford is doubling down on power, just with smarter engineering behind every decision. Over 700 pound-feet of torque, instant electric launch, reduced turbo lag, improved fuel economy, and serious worksite power generation all in one truck. That combination is not simply competitive, it is genuinely disruptive across the entire segment. The 2027 Monster engine announcement was never just a product reveal. It was a strategic declaration. Ford is betting that the future of trucks is not purely electric, at least not yet. It is hybrid muscle backed by reinforced combustion engineering. If Ford delivers on its promises of durability, torque, and efficiency, this powertrain becomes the benchmark of the decade. The message could not be clearer. Power is not going away, it is evolving. And in 2027, Ford intends to lead.